Hey there, I was sent over this ear cleaner to test and try out from the brand. So let's go over what I think about it. So let's go over what's included. So you're gonna get the ear cleaner itself. You have your bottom portion here, which is where the water is put in as well as the wastewater goes to. You have this upper portion here, which is the machine itself. And then at the top, you have this cup that goes around your ear and stays against your head, as well as the tips. You're gonna get 4 silicone tips with this, and there are 2 different styles. There's the single hole tip as well as the one with the 3 holes on it. So any of them can be used depending on what's best for you. These are made out of silicone materials, so they can be cleaned and sanitized. So if you need to use the same tip on multiple family members. It is rechargeable, so you're gonna get the power cord, but you will need to provide the adapter for that. You're gonna need a cleaning brush, which will come in handy just to keep it clean. And you're also gonna get a detailed instruction manual. The manual itself is easy to follow. There's only really a few pages. The rest of it is in other languages. So you have that first page there that has all the parts and what comes with it. And then you have the instructions itself. As well as the instructions, there's also the cleaning and maintenance care on that same page. So using the machine is very simple. The tip just goes onto the cup piece. And then there's a lock and unlock button on the back. The cup just goes onto here. And all I have to do is line up this little white piece here with the piece down here. That is the wastewater drain. So once it's locked on, when it's in your ear, the water comes out here, will collect in here, and then go into the wastewater chamber and come out in the bottom. So the bottom does have 2 chambers, the middle chamber where the clean water goes and the outer chamber where the wastewater goes. This has 4 modes. It has 1, 2, 3, and a custom mode. So you can set it to whatever strength and intensity that you like. I found that I liked 2 the best. It was a little more intense than that first one to help irrigate it better. If you long press the button, it will turn the machine off. To use the machine once it's on, there is a button here at the top. You just hit that button and it will eject the water, and then you hit it again and it will stop it. So this is me using the machine, and what I did like is that the silicone tip was very comfortable. It wasn't uncomfortable in my ear. It was nice and soft. The intensity level, I found that 1 was not very effective for me and me feeling like it was doing anything. And I did like using intensity 2 better. I have not tried intensity 3. I felt that intensity 2 for me was strong enough. Some things to note while using the machine, I did feel that I had to stay pretty upright with the cup, and I had to have it pressed really tightly against my head to make sure that that water didn't leak out across the sink and instead went down into the wastewater cup. I also found that I needed to keep it pretty upright so the clean water would not spill over into the wastewater portion of the tank. I did not get any additional wax out of my ears using this, but I had recently just cleaned my ears. The book does suggest using some type of wax softener before using this to help aid in getting any additional wax out. Also, the suggested temperature for your water should be around 98.6 degrees. So that is something I did calculate myself to make sure it was warm enough to be effective, but not be too hot to burn me. Guys, I found this really easy to use. I like how easy it is to hold. It's comfortable. I did find I had a little bit of issues keeping it up against my head. Part of that, I think, is just using it. And that way there, I'm gonna learn where to place it on my head more often to get that nice seal. Charging it was super easy. I just plugged it in. It really did not take that long to charge. So I like that it's a rechargeable product. And I really like the fact that it has multiple intensity levels so I can get the right fit for my ear. The multiple tips allow for multi-people in the family to use the same product, and these can be sterilized and washed, which is nice. So whether you have a single person using this or a household, I think that these are going to last a long time. If you are looking for a product to help loosen extra wax and keep those ears just a little cleaner, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.